everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from NPCIL. When you will go to the official website of NPCIL, you can see one recent advertisement is there. So you can download that PDF. When I'm coming to the detailed PDF, this PDF is in the language Hindi and English both. So when you will scroll down, you can see here in the English also, and here you can see the advertisement in the Hindi also. So I am talking about here the English statement. Now let's talk about this one. So they are going to recruit for the executive trainee. Post is executive trainee 2024 on the basis of GET 2022, 2023 or 2024 scorecard. Okay, now let's come to this one. Okay, one more thing, the online submission already started from the 10th April 2024 and the last date will be 30th April 2024. Okay, now let's come here for the details. So we can see here the candidate will be shortlisted for the personal interview. So there is no other selection process, only your GET scorecard of 22, 23, 24 and directly they will shortlist you for the personal interview as it is mentioned here. Okay, for more details, you can visit to this website www.npcilcareers.co.in. Okay. Now, category-wise description is mentioned here. The total number of vacancies are here. You can see for unreserved 159, total 396, for backlog 4. So, total overall vacancies are 400. When I am coming to the branch-wise, so here the breakup. So, for mechanical, we are having total 150 vacancies here. It is mentioned the category-wise division. In chemical 73, electrical 69, electronics 29, instrumentation 19 and civil 60. So overall there are 400 vacancies, right dear students. Now after that I can see here, okay, so the reservation category is mentioned, you can see here. Okay, when I'm coming to the next thing, important date, as we already discussed here, the online submission already started from the 10th April. Last date is the 30th April. Payment of online application form is there. Rupees 500 you need to pay. Chargeable only to the male applicants belonging to the general, okay, unreserved EWS and OBC category for the male candidates. If the female candidate wants to apply, okay, female applicants belonging to SC, ST category, PWBD, ex-servicemen, okay, they are exempted from the payment of application fees. So very clearly it is mentioned here. When I'm coming to the eligibility criteria, it is mentioned here BE, BTech or BSc in engineering or 5-year integrated MTech with a minimum of 60% marks in one of the 6 engineering discipline. About that they are having the vacancy. Okay, mentioned in the table below, from the university or the deemed university, minimum is 60% mark. BE, BTech in the respective branches is required here. Okay, so you can see here in mechanical or production can apply, in chemical or electrochemical can apply, in electrical or electrical and electronics can apply here. Electronics, all these are the aligned branches. You can see instrumentation, civil, for civil is mentioned here. Okay, all right, now here as it is mentioned, you can see here 5-year only, the above mentioned we already discussed. Yeah, this is for the final year students, ki applicants whose final results are awaited and or are appearing for the final year or semester examination during 2025 but are otherwise eligible may also apply. Okay, you guys are also eligible. If selected, then they will be required to submit the final result indicating completion of degree and percentage of marks, which is minimum 60% on or before 30th November 2024. And the age limit is also mentioned. You can see upper age limit for the general is 26. For the other branches, other categories, it is mentioned here. Okay, training will be there as it is mentioned. You can see placement can be anywhere in the NPCIL. Okay, stipend during the training is mentioned here. Monthly stipend during the training will be 55,000. One time book allowances will be 18,000 and mandatory lodging and boarding will be here mentioned. So pay on appointment. So as it is mentioned here, so after completion of the successful training, the candidate will be posted as an scientific officer or C in group A as detailed below. Executive trainee will be appointed, because when you will be in the training, you will you will have the designation in the during of the training period executive trainee. After that you will get the post of scientific officer C in the group A, and the pay level will be level 10. Okay, 56 pay in the pay matrix is 56,100, which when you will calculate all the allowances it will be 12 lakh per annum approximately. Okay, now when I will go for the more allowances are mentioned here, you can see each and every incentive allowances are mentioned. So career aspect also, bond is there, selection process. Now this is important. We can see shortlisting of candidates for personal interview for the post of executive trainee will be done in the order of merit on the valid get 22, 23 or 24 scores. Okay, after that they will call you for the interview. Okay, if more than one candidate with the same cutoff marks is there, then all the candidates with the same mark will be shortlisted for the interview. Okay, equal weightage will be given for 22, 23, 24. It's clearly mentioned here. Okay, interview, they will if you will be shortlisted through your get scorecard, then they will inform you through your email or SMS. Final selection will be done on the basis of performance in the personal interview, as it is mentioned, subject to the medical fitness. Okay, so preparation and operation of wait list, as it is mentioned, interview schedule and venues, they are giving you the interview will be scheduled between 3rd to the 15th June 2024, and the venues are mentioned here. Okay, these are the important documents you can see you need to show at the time of the interview. Traveling allowances, personal interview, medical fitness, how to apply. Here each and every detail is mentioned. Please go through, dear students, as now again the important thing is the last date will be 30th April, because now you can already start filling the form. Okay, because the initially it started from the 10th April and the last date will be 30th of the April. Then you can fill it before the 30th April. Okay, guys. So stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel. If still you not join I Must Gate Academy Telegram group, you guys can join the Telegram group. And if still you not subscribe our YouTube channel, subscribe it, guys, so that whenever the new notification or job notification video will be there, you will get instant notification. Okay, and press the bell icon. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy. Thank you.